What's good YouTube, Dirty Dems. Today I'm here in Feltham, linking up with man like Lokoe. Gonna drop a quick piece at his local spot. So I'm thinking to freestyle, maybe a 3D type lettering, nothing too complicated, but big, bold and 3D. That's the look I'm going for today, simple. So I'm in the middle of a field, low sun today. Just traipsing around the field looking for the spot. It looked like the one behind me, but I don't think it is. I think it might be over in that direction, so I'm going to start walking forwards and see if I can find it. Yeah, so I found a spot. It's behind me, just sitting on a bench now. Some weird rickety type bench, just waiting for the Lokoe to turn up. I think I can see him, he's like miles away. I'll spin the camera. He's like all the way down there. It's like a little ant. So we just got to wait for him to turn up and we can start painting. So yeah, the spot's right behind me, it looks pretty good. I'll show you guys a picture of the spot in a sec. Oh, that's petty.
Yeah, trust me.
That's petty. VIP Billy blocking you over an Instagram
yeah, I can't
meme.
see stories.
That is so petty. Like,
yeah, bro, there's that page on.
Oh, sick. So yeah, this is the spot. We've got the paint ready. We're gonna drop something now. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm using, what's this colour? Milano is a light tone, and I'm just spraying it, fading it into the bergamot. It's a gradual fade, using an Astro cap. So that's the Astro cap on there, and I'm probably gonna add like a purpley 3D. That's the plan. 3D.
Generally speaking.
Oh, generally.
Much rough work would you?
Right, so we're at the stage, I've got my 3D shapes down, blacked it out, and now I'm just adding a little bit of a misty haze behind it with this pinky colour. What's it called? Thessaloniki, some weird name, but anyway, it's a nice pink. We're just going in, just adding a mist behind the letters, gives it a bit of depth, so it's not so flat. And then I've got about 2 hours before I have to leave, where I can just play with the 3D and just sharpen it all up. So that's what I'm going to do. You get the idea of what we're doing at the moment. My Dora, a lighter pink or like a magenta colour, and I'm just going on top of that base colour, and it's sort of just bringing it out, just making it pop in the corners like that. Nice. And I think I'm going to add a bit of fluoro as well on top of that, just to give it that extra power. Boom. So now we're using the fluoro pink. So I'm just going to get into the corners with the fluoro and just, oh, look at that. That is hot. Fire. That is banging. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding little shadows with a darker green, and then I'm also adding highlights on the corners just to give it that 3D look. And I've got to blend it, do lots of tonal blends. It's starting to come along. Yeah, so this is how it's going. Got about half an hour left just to add some highlights on there. But yeah, just a quick 3D blocky piece today before I've got to shoot back. But yeah, we're getting there. Just a little bit of fine tuning on the E and then the D, and then I'm done. Yeah, that's it. End of the piece. Quick 3D. I've added some nice futuristic tribal black pattern in there just to spice it up a bit. Lokoe's piece is here. He's done his thing. And yeah, just a nice little link up session today in London, Feltham. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you like this sort of 3D style? What sort of style do you want to see me try? Let me know.